Let's go to Tariq asks, I have to preload several custom tuned nodes for Far Eastern scales with slides and fast portamento. Essentially, this involves playing audio out of huge pre-calculated lookup tables of nodes at EC. How does Superpowered work for simply supplying it various memory locations to take data from without latency? We don't have an out-of-the-box solution for this specific task. If you play short audio samples, then you should play from memory buffers directly. So you need to create your own small wrapper class, how to play from memory, and perhaps use the Superpowered decoder class to go from MP3 to PCM audio data into memory. But no, we don't have an out-of-the-box memory player yet.